Okay, let's do one more example with the help of table array. In this example, we will find the total sales made by David Barber only in Canada region. As we have already discussed that we can use the group by statement to summarize the data on the basis of two columns. So if I write down this statement will summarize the sum of sales by each agent in each region. So if I select this statement and click on the execute button, we can see that this statement had summarized the total sales made by each agent in each region. But we are interested to see the total sales made by David Barber in Canada. So we will use the where clause. Where clause we can use after the from statement. This is very important that where clause will always come before the group by and after from. Right here we can write down the statement where agent is David. Okay, now if I run this statement, this data set will be filtered on the basis of David Barber. So we are able to find the total sales made by David Barber. But we have one more condition, that we are interested to see the sale in Canada only. So we will use one more filter and region. And now the result we will get will contain the total sales made by David Barber in Canada region only. So this is how we will select the statement and click on execute button. So now we have seen that this how we can utilize the where clause with the group by statement. Very important point to note, where clause will always come after from and group by.